How to use shapes in actions in Photoshop. Well, I'm going to use it with the flame render because I'm going to use it as a pass. Now it's design here. Now obviously the design I actually create later will be slightly different from that. First thing to do, edit and fill. Set that to black, the whole thing. So because I'm going to use the flame, just works better with a black background. Right, next thing to do, select a pass, option obviously custom shape tool, path, and then select one of the shapes. Now rename that shape. Don't delete it, rename that shape. Call it something like Z1 or whatever you want to call it. And because it's going to be used in the actual action, that's the key thing. There's actions in the window menu and you see the actions panel there. Allow tool recording. Key thing, keep that on. Allow tool recording. Right, now just go down there, create a new action, give it a name, something interesting, flame 4, flame 5, whatever. Record, and once you're doing that, now go through the things with the custom shape as a path, so it's just selected as a path, apply it to the whole document, or just a small part document, or multiple times, I suppose, but render and then flame via the filter menu. I'm going to go with candlelight. I prefer candlelight, but you can use any of the other options. And in the advanced, you can go with various turbulence, jag, up to you with that, as well as randomized shape. I like randomized shape. Click OK. Then you've got design there. You can see both have been recorded so far. Then go to filter, stylize, oil paint, set them to the max, set stylize to the max, apply it multiple times. It sort of creates a nice smeary, blurry effect. Maybe apply it 4 or 5 times. And these are all again being recorded. That's the key thing to remember there. Just see over the panel there, action's been recorded, as has been the work path as well. Then go to filter and filter gallery and select glowing edges to create this. You can modify the edge width for just about that point. And again, that's recorded. Go to adjustments, color lookup, and go with sepia. Now, don't have to use sepia. Another way of doing that would be going to hue and adjustments, etc. And hue and saturations, I should say, is another option. And use colorize if you want to do it that way. That's another way of doing it. Right, I'm not going to do that. I've got the sepia there. Right, once you've actually done that, you can see that again has been recorded. You can go to vibrance and you can push the vibrance up and saturation fairly to the max. Gain adjustments, apply it again. I never think it really works the first time so well, so I like to push it up a bit more. Adjustments, again, you can modify levels and just tweak it, make it, yeah. Click OK. Right, so once that's done, you can stop recording, or maybe you can apply additional oil paints. You can also use maybe like the delete the work path before you stop recording, so you don't have to remember to do that each time. So just stop that. That's it. So you've recorded the actual action. Once you've got the action, it's called flame 4. Again, you can do other effects, of course, apply effects to it if you want. But I'm actually going to apply it again, just quickly using the same shape. It's of course called Z. I created it earlier. But let's go back right to the start. What you can do then, you can go to another shape in the same, and these ring designs, like Graphicxtras rings, which you can find on the Graphicxtras website. And you can rename another shape to Z, as long as you don't have 2 shapes to Z. Rename another shape and then apply that. So you can click there, apply that, and you can create another flame design using that same approach all the way through. And again, go and select another one, rename that again to 1, 2, 3 or whatever, click OK, go to another shape, rename that shape to Z, click OK, and then apply the action again. You see the shape there. And that's it. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.